Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today we got a simple project for you. We're going to be installing the Unit Garage single-sided saddlebag bracket and canvas saddlebag, again, all from Unit Garage. This is an extremely simple project to do. It's literally 3 bolts, but it will completely transform the functionality of your BMW R9T Scrambler. You see they're really awesome canvas saddlebags here, and their bracket, which is underneath. Again, I've already installed it, so this is kind of an afterwards. Again, a really simple installation, real small bracket, super simple installation, so let's get started. All right, guys, so the first step in installing our Unit Garage single-sided pannier rack is, if you look on their instructions, we're going to remove screws 1, 2, and 3, which correspond with these screws 1, 2, and 3. Now the rack is actually going to mount up underneath, so it's not going to be able to take a ton of weight or support, but it's also not designed to. The canvas bags that we have that we're going to put on there, they're not the biggest bags, or they're not designed for the biggest weight. It's more of a put a shirt in or something like that. So let's get those pulled off and we'll see show you how it works. Now, these Allen head screws take a number 4. Now, we might not be able to use this because of how tall it is. So let's run these up. Now, again, they did not give us any washers to put there. And we'll just kind of see how that looks. And if we see like we need to use a washer on that, we can always go back and get us a stainless steel washer and put that in place. And that's it. Honestly, that's the installation of the actual pannier bracket. Now again, it mounts from the bottom, so you don't necessarily want to put a ton of weight on that, but it's not designed to do that. It's designed more, not necessarily artistic or just for stylistic, but it's not going to support a ton of weight. Now, here's our Unit Garage canvas bag with their proprietary, what do they call it? They call it the Click Fix system of mounting it on. So I'll show you this. So it's got a hook underneath and it's got a hook up top, and it clips on like that. So I'll see if I can get a side shot of this, but it clips in place, goes on top, bottom, clips in place. The bag does not interfere with your turn signals. Doesn't really interfere with your passenger pegs. If you're not going to use them, pull them to the side like that, and there you go. Look how cool that looks. Now, again, we only went with a single bag, just simply because with our Scrambler exhaust on this side, they make a bracket that goes all the way over that would cover up the exhaust. But I mean, why would you want to cover that exhaust up right there? So we decided to go with a single-sided bag for our R9T Scrambler. Check that out. Now let me see if I can get a side view of the installation. So again, the bag has a little handle right here. That, pull up. When you put it on, it's snug right there with the passenger bracket. Line it up, clips in place, just like that. How freaking awesome is that? Now, let's open the bag up. Again, all really nice leather straps. Roll top. It's got a zipper. If you didn't want to completely unroll it, you could zip it and get actually this little front pocket inside here. And then it's a roll top design. Now these are not the waterproof bags, and again you see the Unit Garage logo on there. These are not waterproof bags. They do make a waxed suede, which is waterproof. So these are good sized bags. That'll hold, that'll hold a couple days luggage right there. So let's roll that top back down. And it also comes with a shoulder strap also that you can take the bag. Let's roll it back up. Put our wicked sweet leather straps through it. Buckle those down. Those are so cool looking. And then you can take the shoulder strap, hook it on there, hook it on there, pop your bag off, and carry it like that. You can throw it over your shoulder, carry it into your hotel. So, unit garage, single-sided pannier for our R9T Scrambler. All right, guys, so we brought the bike outside. It's 100 degrees out here, so we're not going to stay out here very long. Just want to show you the completed installation of the unit garage saddlebag. And you can see from the front how it's kind of asymmetrical look. I'll give you a look from the back. But with the exhaust sticking off the back, you really don't want, you really didn't. They have one that goes over top of the exhaust, but I just didn't like that look. So I really think that gives it a really cool kind of custom look with the bag sticking off the side. I've got a couple towels in there just to kind of fill the bag out, just to kind of let you see how it looks. But that's it, guys. That's the installation of the unit garage canvas saddlebags with their single-sided pannier bracket. So, all right, guys, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you see anything that you like, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You see I'm sweating my tail off out here. Thank you guys for watching. Roll Tide, God bless, and remember, tomorrow needs you. Thanks, guys.